Good evening. It was a bad day for the Indian markets today, with the main stock indices erasing all of the previous session's gain in the face of string of bad news, both domestic and overseas. The tumultuous session started weak as concerns about China mounted following a disappointing report on its manufacturing sector. A front page report in the National Daily about a scam in auction of coal blocks also hit the sentiment badly. A rollback of passenger fare hike by the new railway minister coupled with market talk of a possible downgrade of India and weakness in the rupee added fuel to the fire. The situation worsened in the afternoon after preliminary data for Germany, France and Eurozone heightened worries about the region's economic health. The BSE Sensex was down by 405 points to close at 17,196 and the NSE Nifty was down by 137 points to close at 5,228. The India VIX on the NSE skyrocketed by 18% to close at day's high of 24.77. Broader markets also tumbled with the BSE Mid-Cap Index losing 2.3%, much higher than the BSE Small Cap Index which fell by 1.7%. Sectoral indices were a sea of red with all of them making losses between 1 to 4%. Realty was the biggest loser, down by 4.25%, while Pharma made the least losses and was down by 1.2%. Power, banking, capital goods, metal, consumer durable and oil and gas were the notable losers. Coal India and Hero MotoCorp were the only gainers on the Sensex and Nifty today. Notable losers were Jindal Steel, DLF, Tata Steel, Tata Power, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, L&T, SBI, JP Associates, R Power, Reliance Infrastructure, IDFC, RCom, Kotak Mahindra Bank, BHEL and Hindalco Industries. It would be interesting to see how the market players react to the two completely contrasting situations. Big rally on Wednesday followed by an equally nasty drop on Thursday. Investors will look for clues from the US markets. One thing is sure is that these tough times are not just for India but also for the entire world. There is no dearth of bad news and uncertainties abound over the future prospects of the Indian economy. In such a scenario, it would be prudent to stick to a stock-centric approach. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.